So remember to drive your shoulders and your head down towards your feet. Try to keep your heels flat on the ground and put the weight that's in your hands in your index and your thumb, index finger and your thumb.